So there's 3 boxes of legs, 2 in each box, and they have, I think like an 8-inch section, a 4-inch section, so you could make the bed be 12 inches high, 8 inches high, or 4 inches high. Okay, so we got the legs on. There's a couple of zip ties in the middle. That wasn't as bad as I thought. It's best to, when you're lifting it, to put your hands under and hold on to the metal frame part and not the edge. Adapter, a plug-in, a remote, some batteries. We bought the Helix, which one? But anyway, the Elite has 2 portions. It has a mattress portion, and then it has a top piece that attaches, so it's kind of like having double mattress, which is really cool. I guess the top mattress has like micro coils and more memory foam. Okay, the bottom part of the mattresses are down. So next there is a separate piece that I guess inserts into the top. I thought it attached to the top, so we'll see how that works. Okay, so we're going to slip that one in, but it looks like we only got one in the mail, so we will finish up later once we get this one in, because there must be one more coming. Okay, now we're gonna make this bed look pretty, once and for all. Ta-da! Feels good now to have it all done and enjoy it every night. So anyway, thanks Blake at Freedom Mattress. We love it.
Thanks, Blake.